So bhakti is such a nice thing. But what is that bhakti? That bhakti is animitya bhagavati. That bhakti should be animitta, not with a motive that I shall go to the temple and serve Krishna for this purpose. Krishna can fulfill any purpose you desire. It is not very difficult for him because he is almighty, full with all opulences. So if you want something material happiness from Krishna, it is not very difficult for Krishna. He can give you mukti. But to ask from Krishna anything else than bhakti is foolishness. That is foolishness. My Guru Maharaj used to give this example, just like if you go to a rich man and he says, now whatever you like, you can ask from me, I shall give you. Then if you ask him that give me a pinch of ash, is that very intelligent? Similarly, there is a story that one old woman in the forest, I think it is in his hospital or somewhere, so she was carrying a big bundle of dry wood and somehow or other the bundle fell down. It was very heavy. So the old woman became very much disturbed. Who will help me to get this bundle on my head? So she began to call God. God help me. And God came. What do you want? Kindly help me to get this bundle on my head. Just see. God came to giving benediction and she wanted to give this bundle again on my head. So, we are doing the same thing. When we go to God, we ask Him, kindly give me the bundle on my head. My family become happy, I may have a large amount of money to enjoy material things. We ask that. That is our foolishness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches us therefore that actually if you want something from God, that should be only begging for His service. Thank you very much.